Being in the financial services industry for almost 2 decades, you hear about groundbreaking information that comes about in various different spots. This Kaizen plan that Christian is about to illustrate to you is one of those specific plans. Pay close attention because you might just miss it. Reach out to us if you'd like to learn any more information. Thanks in advance.
You can finance your car and your home. You can finance your real estate investments and your business. But did you know you can finance a secure tax-free retirement for yourself? As a way of introduction, my name is Christian Gutierrez. I am a senior advisor here at the Financial Architects. And in this short video, I'm going to share with you how high-income individuals who earn $200,000 per year or more are leveraging the bank's money to supercharge a secure tax-free retirement that will maintain their current lifestyles throughout their golden years. Most high-income earners don't start saving until their 40s, missing out on years of compounding interest. And they only save about 9% of their income when they should be saving at least 33% to reach their retirement goal. For that reason, many utilize the Kaizen strategy. Kaizen is a strategy that gives you access to extra money up front, providing you the potential to earn more for your retirement, protecting future income without putting a drain on your current way of living. This strategy helps you maintain your current lifestyle in the event of a chronic illness, premature death, and inability to sufficiently save for retirement. Traditional retirement plans are typically insufficient for high-income earners. Kaizen is different because it makes use of leverage without the need for participant loans, interest payments, or personal guarantees. Here's how Kaizen uses leverage in a very different way. Your contributions are matched by the lender for the first 5 years. Then the lender uses that as security for the additional funds for the next 5 years. These contributions are used to fund a cash accumulation life insurance policy. A minimum amount is used to purchase the death benefits, living benefits, while the majority of cash is used to maximize your potential tax advantage growth. What could be better? Kaizen also uses unique cash accumulation features within the policy. When a major market index like the S&P 500 has growth, it is calculated and credited to you, and once gains are credited, they cannot decline due to market loss. This helps keeps your money safe. Would you rather have this in retirement or the potential for 60 to 100% more retirement income with Kaizen? So if you want to leverage the bank's money to supercharge a secure tax-free retirement that will maintain your current lifestyle throughout your golden years, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website at tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
If you'd like to learn more about a buy-sell agreement where business owners that are partners take advantage of it, go ahead and click the link right there. If you'd like to learn more about a key man life insurance policy where business owners want to protect their employees, go ahead and click the link right there. Enjoy.